I think Tesla's next Gigafactory, Gigafactory 6, will be Giga Shanghai 2. As you know, Tesla is building a huge factory now at Giga Shanghai, which may become Giga Shanghai 2. And I'm not talking about the phase 2, but looks like there is something going on for Tesla building its new place to build its affordable $25,000 car. So will Tesla Gigafactory 6 be Giga Shanghai 2? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Maarten Vinkhuyzen from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. And also give us thumbs up and like this video if you find it informative. You're seeing the video from our friend Vuva, who has been providing reliable information about Giga Shanghai and this beautiful aerial view, and Maarten Vinkhuyzen from Clean Technica is raising the question asking, will Tesla Gigafactory 6 be Giga Shanghai 2? Maarten says Giga Shanghai is now producing the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. But not all the parts that Tesla likes to produce itself are yet produced in Shanghai. IDRA Group mentioned in a press release that there are now 2 gigapresses in production. We know of 2 artwork in Fremont. 2 at work actually in Fremont. We also know that Shanghai is hard at work building a heavy foundation for a big casting shop. Shanghai is probably using casting made in Fremont. Shanghai is lacking a battery cell factory and a factory for the Model 2 series or whatever it will be called. Further, Tesla's energy storage system have a market to conquer in China and the Pacific Rim. After a quiet period when the Model Y ramp started, a new frenzy of building production halls and warehouses started in Shanghai as well. Every space between buildings is being filled up with new buildings. All the temporary buildings at Giga Shanghai and facilities there have been relocated to plots of land on the west and east side of the Gigafactory terrain. On the most recent drone footage, it looks like the complete terrain now has a permanent destination. When Tesla started in Shanghai, the new Gigafactory looked big, very big. Now it's too small, says Maarten in Clean Technica, and says lately there have been rumors that Tesla acquired, not bought, but made a ground rent deal, a special type of long-term lease, a parcel of land south of its current location. It is separated by a canal and a new road that is being built. The size is about half the size of the current Gigafactory plot. The latest news last week was that the bidding process was stopped. Tesla was the only bidder, and they need at least 3 bidders to select a winner. To get the Chinese Model 2 to market in time and to have the batteries needed, Tesla has to start building a new factory within a few months. If it is not possible to extend the current factory on extra land, Tesla must build a new factory in China. It seems that would be Gigafactory 6. That means Giga Shanghai 2. Do you think Tesla's Gigafactory 6 will be Giga Shanghai 2? Because yesterday I reported that one of India's top ministers urged Tesla to start production of electric vehicles in India, quote, ASAP, as soon as possible. And so we were thinking that there is rumor for that Gigafactory in India, Gigafactory in United Kingdom, but it's very likely that the next Gigafactory may be in Shanghai, Gigafactory 6 in Shanghai, and it will be Shanghai 2. What are your thoughts, friends? While you're thinking and commenting, let's continue watching Vuva's video of the aerial view where you can see the latest updates from Giga Shanghai. Have a great day. This is Maarten Vinkhuyzen from TalkNews.com. Please give us thumbs up if this video is informative. I will have the references in the description of this video. God bless you, everyone, and peace be with all of you. I'll see you soon in our next report.
you.